The Flipkart SmartBuy steam iron is your one-stop appliance for crisp and creaseless clothes. Equipped with a Teflon-coated sole plate, with strategically placed steam vents for even steam distribution, this unit glides smoothly over all types of fabrics, without pulling or wrinkling them. This lightweight steam iron is elegantly designed with a comfortable grip which ensures an easy and a comfortable ironing experience. This steam iron also features a sleek and sturdy sole tip, along with a non-stick sole plate, which make for a smooth ironing. There are cheaper 1200W steam irons available, but I wanted one with 2 years warranty and service center close by, so this was the best option. I got it for 675 rupees, could have got it for less during sale. After long survey and review, I felt chosen right product which has good features, competitive price. Many are the popular brand of steam iron. Of course, Flipkart brand is succeed in its own way, like attractive design, color, too light in weight. However, sole plate could be little bigger than what is provided now. This can be used both as dry steam iron. For steam, initially switch and preheat for required temperature by operating thermostat knob. Switch off, then add measured 100 ml tap water and again switch on by keeping steam burst water spray switch in proper position as desired. Amazing, it will heat very instantly and cut off temperature automatically as per setting. Only drawback is for getting continuous.
Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.